Welcome to part 6. It's payoff time. Let's see how good Lonnie's sled runs.
Let's get her done.
I turn off the choke and hold with one hand, hold the throttle open with the other. Little smoky, we're blowing all that extra oil out of the crankcase. Got to clean her out. I know what you're thinking, and yeah, my wife hates it when we do that to the lawn, but we do it anyways. All right, first riding impressions, Lonnie?
Woo-hoo! Man, what a ride. It is. This thing is awesome.
She looked pretty snappy. I didn't detect any bog.
Nope. There was once I got it warmed up, man. She's got all of it right now. As soon as I pinch it, it's all in, man.
Nice. You should have seen the cloud of smoke when we were blowing all the oil out of the crankcase that we added to the bearings. But,
yeah, buddy. Yo.
Oh boy. Janet's thrilled with the yard maintenance.
Oh yeah.
That's fine. We do it all the time.
I did a nice job of digging up the yard back there.
Yeah, you did. Well, this is awesome. I couldn't be happier.
Me either, man. Thank you so much for everything. This thing is going to be a lot of fun to ride.
Yeah.
So, thank you.
No problem. No horn start, Lonnie. That'll work.
Yup.
That'll work.
It'll work.
Ready? All right, well, that's a wrap on Lonnie's XLT project. I mean, we do have a couple little things we're going to finish up on it, but nothing we're going to show on video. But I just want to thank you for watching. And hopefully you've watched this whole thing. If you haven't, there's a playlist. You can go back and watch it. And also check out my 1983 Polaris Cross Country Indy Rebuild playlist. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And please pray for some snow here in Minnesota.
Yes, we need snow. Thanks for watching.